Okay, so this is the code for assignment 5. First, we included IOStream, string, as well as IOMedit, and we used namespace. We first started by defining our constant, which was max students of 5, and then we had a struct, which was called student, which basically looped together 3 pieces of data per student, which was their ID, name, and grades. Then we defined our functions, our function prototypes, which was like how we print the menu, highest grade, lowest grade, average grades, and this just allowed it to figure out like what we were doing basically. Right here, you can see we have our 5 students, each with their ID, name, as well as score. And then we had the print menu, which was one of the most important parts of this code, as it would keep running the enter your choice until you got the correct answer for the question, which, as you can see, we have the 5 cases, which is that you'd keep putting it until you got the highest grade, and then after you got the correct answer, it'll tell you, and then you so on and so forth. And once you're done, or once you're tired of it, you could put 6 and it'll tell you goodbye. And then we had the print menu, which is essentially just allowed it to print what was implemented in here. And then we had the these loops, which allowed it to actually get what we were looking for. So the highest grade went through the array and looked for compared all the scores essentially, and found which one was the highest between all of them, and it would print that out, or not print it out, but figure it out. So when we're trying to look for the answers and putting in the different answers, it'll know which one it is. And then the lowest grade obviously did the vice versa, comparing each student's grades and finding which one was the lowest. And then the average grade added up every single one of the grades and divided it by the amount of students, find the average. And then we just printed out the list of the students and the student names. Right here I was messing with it. As you can see, I got some right, and then I got some correct. I got 2 correct, and then said goodbye. So if you want to see it in action, you could put 1, and that is correct. Now if we put, let's just say 4, that's incorrect. That's correct. And then if we're done with this, we'll put 6, and it says goodbye.